I'm Gene from Total Driver. On behalf of Mahindra, we want to welcome you to the Fraser Island Escape as part of the Mahindra Adventure Club. There's a few safety things we want to go through, as we want everyone to be prepared before we actually get you onto the barge, as coincidentally the most challenging thing you're going to find is getting to the barge in the first place, and from there it's going to be the biggest adventure you've ever had. One of the things we want you to do is take care of the emails we send you, thinking about things of maintenance. Has the car been serviced? Are the tyres in good condition? And most importantly, does it have fuel? Remember, E does not stand for enough. One of the first things we're going to get you to do before we take you off the bitumen is drop our tyre pressures. And we're going to take them down to about 18 pound per square inch of pressure, or 18 psi. And the reason we do that is it changes the shape of the tyre, increasing the surface area, the contact, and that basically stops the tyre wanting to submarine into the stand and reduces your chance of getting stuck dramatically. These things are so capable that when we came over, there was this line of Toyotas and Nissans all trying to pull each other away from the barge with snatch strap and recovery process. Yet this Mahindra drove straight across that same terrain without even looking like getting stuck onto the barge, and away we went from there. So tyre pressures, bring your own tyre gauge. They only cost you $10 from any auto parts store, just so we can be on top of that. Okay, the next thing we want you to think about before you come is recovery equipment. Now, everybody that drives off-road should have themselves self-equipped in case their vehicle gets stuck. And there's a range of accessories you can buy. You can often buy a complete kit for as little as $100, so it's a great investment in your money. Snatch straps. We're going to give you some practical demonstrations on how we use these. Hopefully, none of us get caught and we need to be recovered, but it's great to have this on board as an accessory anytime you go off-road, especially when you're going off-road on the beach. Now, these are a great little device. They go in your tow bar tongue, and it means that we pull off here and it spreads a load through the whole chassis. It's great for keeping your car in tip-top nick and also getting out of the most precarious situation. These tracks here, amazing value for what they are. It's amazing how often you'll use them as well. So put this in your arsenal. If you're going to go off-road a lot, they're great value to have just towed away in the back of the car. So if you do get caught, you can get yourself out without getting into too much trouble.